כן, יש שם הוק כזה.
יאללה, הוק.
Hi, my name is Tor. We are making here in the shop the copper artwork, what you see on the table and all what you see on the wall. My dad, he is the artist, his name is David, and he taught me how to make this work, still teaching me for the last 11 years. And I took only a small piece of copper to make a quick demo for you. A demo that will take, well, just 1 minute. So, I'll tell you also that this artwork originally started in Iraq, and all my family came here from Iraq in 1951. So we are already 4 generations doing this artwork here in Israel. And this is just a short demo. If you love it, so you can take it.
Will I take it then?
If you won't take it, someone else will take it.
I will thank you. Thank you. Wow. It's beautiful.
You're welcome.
It's beautiful.
It's copper. Look, this is how we're making them. Every design that you see in the shop started just like this. So only the one that's signed here, David Miro, those are one-of-a-kind pieces. So what you see there, over there on the wall, it's a mixture of copper and silver together, and all the others on the table are made by a mold. We're making them as well. The molds we're making 1 or 2 molds in here. So all the ones on the table are a mold, the one that's over there are originals. The prices are in shekels and 20% off you have on everything in the shop. Okay? You may have a look. And